Cardano is certainly one of those undertakings that have extraordinary possible beyond being a resource that gets exchanged for benefit, based on peer looked into scholarly exploration. Cardano has united areas of strength for throughout the long term. Its specialized establishment and the desires of its group have made ADA one of the top digital forms of money on the planet. We should investigate what the Cardano digital currency and undertaking are about and analyze our ADA cost figure for the next few years. If it's not too much trouble, remember that, similarly as with some other cryptographic money, it is almost difficult to make a 100% precise Cardano cost figure. We notice what least cost and most extreme value ADA might possibly have in 1 year or the following 5 years. Yet those are only our assessments. This video doesn't comprise venture guidance. Our ongoing ADA to USD cost update shows the ongoing Cardano cost as 45 cents USD. Our latest Cardano cost estimate demonstrates that its worth will increment by 1.82% and reach 45 cents by April 18, 2023. Our specialized pointers signal about the impartial bullish 67% market opinion on Cardano, while the trepidation and ravenousness file is showing a score of 68. Over the most recent 30 days, Cardano has had 20/30th green days and 6.93% cost instability. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Cardano is $36 cents, and ADA is as of now position No. 7 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Cardano is $12,577,219,897.51, with a market cap of $34,730,976,878. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 2 cents in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, ADA has been in a decent vertical pattern, consequently expanding by 5.21%. Cardano has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of ADA has expanded by 1.75%, adding a huge typical measure of 1 cent to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now on the off chance that it keeps on developing. Cardano Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Cardano costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Cardano will be 45 cents. The most extreme level that the ADA cost can reach is 55 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 47 cents. Possible return for money invested: 43.6% by ADA value figure for February 2023 in view of the value changes of Cardano toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical ADA pace of 37 cents in February 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 34 cents and at 38 cents. Separately, expected return for capital invested: 0% by WAC 2023. Cardano Value Gauge digital money specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the ADA cost in WAC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 36 cents, while the most extreme could reach 39 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Cardano may be around 37 cents. Expected return for capital invested: 2.6% by ADA value conjecture for April 2023. Crypto experts have really looked at the value vacillations of Cardano in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal ADA rate they anticipate may be around 39 cents in April 2023. It can drop to 37 cents as a base. The most extreme worth may be 41 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment: 7.7% by May 2023. Cardano value conjecture around mid-year 2023. The ADA cost will be exchanged at 39 cents by and large. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Cardano worth to 43 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 38 cents in May 2023. Likely return for capital invested: 12.8% by ADA value conjecture for June 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Cardano costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023, 40 cents. The most reduced and top ADA rates may be 39 cents and 44 cents. Likely return for money invested: 15.4% by July 2023. Cardano value conjecture crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the ADA cost will be around 41 cents. In July 2023, the Cardano cost might drop to at least 39 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 46 cents in July 2023. Likely return for money invested: 20.5% by ADA value conjecture for August 2023. Having examined Cardano costs, digital currency specialists expect that the ADA rate could arrive at a limit of 48 cents in August 2023. It may, in any case, drop to 41 cents. For August 2023, the determined normal of Cardano is almost 42 cents. Expected return for capital invested: 25.6% by September 2023. Cardano value figure around mid-2023. The Cardano cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 44 cents. Crypto experts expect that in September 2023, the ADA cost could vary somewhere in the range of 42 cents and 50 cents. Likely return for money invested: 30.8% by ADA value estimate for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Cardano worth won't dip under at least 43 cents. The most extreme pinnacle expected for this present month is 52 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 45 cents. Expected return for money invested: 35.9% by November 2023. Cardano value conjecture: digital currency specialists have painstakingly examined the scope of ADA costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their conjecture is the accompanying: the greatest exchanging worth of Cardano will be around 54 cents, with a chance of dropping to at least 44 cents. In November 2023, the normal expense will be 45 cents. Possible return for money invested: 41% by ADA value estimate for December 2023 in light of the value variances of Cardano toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical ADA pace of 47 cents in December 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 45 cents and at 55 cents individual. Expected return on initial capital investment: 43.6% by Cardano value forecast 2024. After the examination of the costs of Cardano in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Cardano will be around 65 cents. The most extreme expected ADA cost might be around 77 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost may be 66 cents in 2024. Cardano value expectation 2025 in view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Cardano. In 2025, ADA is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 92 cents and $1.15 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 95 cents. Cardano value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of Cardano and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2026, the base ADA cost could drop to $1.34, while its most extreme can reach $1.61. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $1.38. Cardano value forecast 2027 in light of the examination of the expenses of Cardano by crypto specialists. The accompanying greatest and least ADA costs are normal in 2027, $2.27 and $1.94. Overall, it will be exchanged at $1.99. Cardano value expectation 2028. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the changes of Cardano. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical ADA cost will be around $2.95. It could drop to at least $2.85, yet it actually could reach $3.33.